Hello, colleagues. My name's Ben Kimera. Uh, I'll be taking you through errors in Excel. Just as I promised of recent, I've been having a couple of messages. I've been reading the replies. All many people have attacked me on WhatsApp. Others have my others on the platform. I've read the comment section, but I'm really privileged to have you. For this time around, I'll be taking you through errors in Excel. My esteemed viewers, now this will start here. Please, if you've gotten use of the of my YouTube channel, if you've learned a lot, please subscribe so that we can keep in touch. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. We keep updating and uploading content that's educative. Yeah. So let me small kind of internet. Yeah. Here then let me close here. Yeah, for this case, let me increase. For this case, this is maximizing. Hope I took you through that. For this case, with Excel, I'll just start with a hash error. Now, for this one, you increase on the cell length. Now, for instance, if I was to be having this cell small as it is now, and I was to put like, for instance, let me put digits just like this, and if I would be having this, if this was to be max, for instance, and then I'm to get a summation of this somewhere here, and perhaps I have this. Let me uh, and I have a summation of this. Let me sum up this. I trust you all. You see, this is the ash error that I was talking about. Now, for this case, to go to the error, I'll take a lot of small time. I'll take small time with this video because I want to. Well, you see the digits. It's not where they can fit in this cell. So what we have to is to increase the space. Like I'm saying, I should just do it. You just increase the space. You increase to any length you want, as long as the digits can fit. If they don't fit, meaning you just repeat the error. So now this is error one. I've showed you. This is how to correct. You increase the space of the cell to reduce on the errors. The hash error. So there's what we call the hash value. For this case, I'm going to take you through. I promise. For the hash value, let me start with hash name error. Yeah, for this case, because I want to take you step by step for you to learn. For the hash name, let me first delete this. I don't want to confuse my learners. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and comment. But please keep your comments. I should not keep your comments. For this case, the hash name. For instance, if I'm to now, which example should I use now? Yeah, for the hash name error. Now, for this case, let me explain as I'm doing. Why should I waste your time? For this case, if you be having digits like this, and here digits like this, and then if I'm to be having a summation of this somewhere, let me use the small digits. Let me use small digits. Let me use small digits. I should not I should not mix things. Now, if I'm to be having a summation of this here, and as I say, you put some. No, for this case, I'm working on the error now. Now, suppose you use the add somewhere in your summation. Suppose use the sum in your summation, and you're to look for the summation also here, and you press enter. You see, it's the hash name error. For this, you correct it. You correct this by what I gave you initially. Because as introduction, it is kind of connected. Let me here. You correct it by simply some, yeah, small kind of noise, and give you the summation here. Thanks. Yeah. My gratitude is to my viewers who've always taken time to watch the videos, taken time to appreciate those who commented, those have taken everything in good faith. Uh, this is to assure you. Uh, yeah. Now we go to hash. Now where should we go? Let's go to the div errors. Now for this case, it is on division. When dividing a number by 0, that's where the error comes from. Now here, I'll take you slowly. Hope you're together. Now, suppose we had a number of this kind, and maybe we had a number figures of this kind, and we were to divide. We were to divide this. Now, for this case, to give us a right answer, unwanted error. You know, means to correct things only. So now errors. Let me work on the error. It's no, we're using 0. You can use 0, 0 can use 0. Same thing. And if you to get its dividend here, when you divide, it's that dividend. And if you to get you're working on this, well, divide by 0, you see, and you press enter. For this case, we just give you a div error. Now to correct this, it's kind of small. Yeah, you don't divide by 0. You just any small. So you'll be able to have your answer right. Okay. So when you divide by this, it will definitely give you a right answer. You see? Well, now for this case, we shall go to the ref error. Yeah. For this case, let me don't disorganize you. I will take you one. I'll take you one by one. Let me take you through this ref error. For this case, if I delete one column after auto refill, or if I delete two columns after auto refill, okay, let me work on it. Now for this case, if I were to be having subjects, if I were to be having psychology, right, let me teach you SST. For this case, if I were to be having SST, these are usual subjects, SST, and I have mathematics. I've forgotten math. And I have to be having mathematics. And then if this was to be my total, if this was to be our total, and I happen to have a student, and that student must have scored something like in SST, people have no stories of 70, and then in mathematics of 3 hours gets 3 marks. For instance, 4 marks. Okay, I'm not attacking anyone, no names there. And I'm to get a summation of this somewhere. Let me get a summation. I told you for this, you don't know how to get how to make summations. Yeah, I press enter. Now, if I'm to be adding any, like, I taught you how to make percentages, remember, my viewers. Well, let's put summation. Uh, mm, well, now if for the ref error, if after auto refill, I made a mistake here. Auto refill is this. Or after me getting this sum, I did this manually, sorry, and happen to auto refill here. Okay, same thing. If happen to get a sum by auto refill, and then I happen to come and delete this. Okay, and you put okay, you right click and delete, and you delete. Okay, you see that would be a ref error. Now for this case, if you're going to create in the errors too small, you just Control Z. Okay, so by this you just simply undo. Uh, I promise I'll be having a couple of videos dropping on and a lot of content that you need to follow. As kind of educative and beneficial. That will have a proper use of a computer. First, thank you and thank you. Nice time.